I am in my car. It's not my car, it's my mum's car. I buy too many squishmallows to be able to afford a car. But we are going squish hunting today. So I am doing some live action squish hunting. You're coming with me. We're going to see what we can find. So over the past I know how to count, days, 3 new Woolworths squads have come out. 2 Valentine's ones, they got really held up. And 1 not Valentine's one, which has a radish and a fish. And obviously I want like all of the Valentine's ones. So we're going looking. I did look yesterday in a couple of Woolworths, couldn't find any. So hopefully we find them today. Okay, we're at Woolworths number 1. Please be here. All we have is 2 that aren't even in a box. Oh, and these Squishmallows. Okay, second Woolworths. I was here yesterday, but I'm hopeful that they might have restocked overnight. Which aisle? Oh my god, 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 oh my god. They have some, they have some, they have some. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. So it is a full fresh box. They're all here, 2 of each of them. This one is my favorite. It's a little monster with a heart on its eye. His name's Leon. We're definitely taking you home. Then we have Winnie the Walrus. She has a purple heart. I'm grabbing the second Winnie for my sister. Okay, then we have, who is this? Chocolate cupcake named Ottie. She's coming home. Tie-dye narwhal. I can't decide whether to get this lion, but it's giving me very like Pride lion vibes, so I think I have to. I don't own a single Fifi, and I feel like Fifi is like one of the mascots, so I think I'm taking her home too. Off we go, lads. Well, that was crazy exciting. So let's review. We got Winnie the Purple Walrus! This guy, what an icon. I love the narwhals. This is a narwhal I don't have at all. It's called Her. Very cute. I love this one's pattern, especially how like the tie-dye forms a circle around her horn. I think this is a red velvet cupcake. Like I'm like, is it chocolate? Is it like strawberry? No, I'm pretty sure that's a red velvet. Pride lion. I have a soft spot for lions because I was so obsessed with Amazing Phil. And this just looks like something that he should own. So I bought it for myself. I finally have a Fifi. I don't know if I have a single fox like this. Oh, I have a purple one. Oh my gosh, it's a purple Valentine's one. They're going to be best friends. Obviously I did find some of the squishes, but there are still 2 squads that are out there, so I'm gonna keep looking. I really am desperate for a baby claw machine. I'm desperate for a baby octopus in a hat. Oh my goodness. And there were some from that squad that I really wanted, but they were just too big and I don't have that much room. I mean, I have a lot of room because I have a lot of squishmallows, but the squishmallows are already in the room. Anyway, I still want to find that squad. I still want to find the other squad. There's a fish, a very funny gold fish, and a beetroot. I'm now headed to Coles. I rarely see squishmallows in Coles, but I'm still gonna check. They do have them, but it's not the squad we want. It's also been visited by a bunch of Bluey and friends. Oh my gosh, this bingo has a backpack. The bingo I have doesn't have a backpack. I feel ripped off. I feel like such an adult today. Look at me going to all these different places, parking in all these different places. And I got my license like 6 months ago, so I still feel very excited every time I successfully drive somewhere. Okay, fine. Right, this is the aisle they should be in. They're gonna be here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Claw machines. Oh, we don't have the octopus. I'm so sad. Okay, so we have a little claw machine. We have the cake. I loved this pink dog when I saw it in 12-inch, so I'm definitely going to get the baby one. Also, this alien with the little heart. It was too big to get it in 12-inch, but I do love the design. I'm going to leave this one behind. It's very cute, but I'm not feeling it. We have a meerkat and a gorilla. I'm searching through the octopuses in case the octopus has lost its way and forgot it was a squishmallow. This is the only blue octopus here, and that's exactly how I feel about it. Okay, let's review. My baby. I'm so glad they had this one. Valentine's cake! Alien, I'm so glad they made this one in a small size because it was so cute, but it was just too big. Like, I didn't love it enough. Pink dog! I was so excited when I saw the pink dog, so I'm so excited that I've got a small one. I need to have to head home because I'm starving. I need the toilet, and my phone's about to die. So we'll continue our squish hunting at a later time. Maybe tomorrow. What a beautiful haul. Look at them all. What do you think of the new Squishmallows? Oh, you like the pink dog. I can't believe we actually got 5-inch Valentine's ones this year. They were 2 months late, but I'll still take it. I have the best news. There's a corgi sitting on me. I've had her for 3 years, and some days I look at her like, oh my god, it's a corgi. Anyway, the news I actually had to share was, so first of all, I was telling my mum about all the squishmallows I found, and I was telling her how the octopus wasn't there, and I told her specifically, you have to look out for this octopus. I showed her the 12-inch one. I was like, if you see it while you're out grocery shopping, it's mine. You need to get it. So yesterday morning, my mum went grocery shopping. And she found him! She was sending me these pictures like, do you want the tall one or the wide one? Which one do I pick? It was so funny. I'm sorry, it's not for you. No. Anyway, I got the octopus with a top and look how cute he is. Now, the second piece of news I have to tell you is I have squishmallows! I hardly ever order squishes online before because I'm trying to cut back. That's going really well, isn't it? But there were some squishes that I was searching for so long and I could never find them, and I don't even think they're in stores anymore, and one person was selling all 3, so I bought them. Squishmallow! Fairy's gonna open it before I have a chance to. too. This bag is kind of see-through. Can you guess who's in here? I complained about this in many a video. Oh my god! It's baby Ludwig. Now this isn't actually Ludwig. This is Robert. I don't know if he came from America, or I don't know if the whole time I was looking for a baby Ludwig, I was really looking for a baby Robert. Either way, it's a 5-inch blue frog. So happy. Okay, second squish in the bag. This one came out in a squad a long time ago and I just never found them. It's 5-inch Sunny! I have quite the Sunny collection. I have her in every size except 5-inch. Or maybe not every size. I have her in 7-inch. I have her in stackable. I have her in 10-inch. I have her in tiny baby form. I have her in a keychain. And now I have her in a 5-inch. Okay, third one. I cried when I saw this was released in Australia. Okay, that's dramatic. I didn't cry, but I did my internal wow! That was external. But I was very excited. I was so excited. And then I never found her. But someone was so she's so beautiful. Oh, look at her. The purple octopuses were some of the first squishes I got. They're like one of my favorite squish families. See, look at all the violets. It actually isn't all my violets. I also have a 16-inch one. And that isn't even a violet. But anyway. Today I'm going squish hunting. Well, I'm going squish hunting and bum bumps hunting. Now, if you don't know what bum bumps are, you probably were just like, what the heck did you just say? Basically, they're the people who made Squishmallows made a new toy line called Bum Bumps. I'm not the biggest fan of the name, but I guess it's like easy for kids to say. So maybe that's why they chose it. But like, can you imagine like me going to a toy store and being like, hi, do you have any bum bums in stock? And then being like, what? But anyway, I'm still going to look for them. Apparently they're around at Toy Worlds. I don't have any Toy Worlds near me, so we're going on quite a trek. And obviously if I'm going on a trek, there's going to be other stores out there that I need to check to see what Squishmallows they have. There's a really cute blueberry muffin. It's purple and would be best friends with my pancakes. Where are my pancakes? Oh, there they are. It would be such good friends with these guys. And there's like some cute flowers and they're just really cute. And I just really want to see them. Let's stop talking and get hunting. Toy World. They don't have any bum bums, but they do have Sylvanian baby fairy tale mystery bags, so hopefully we get the bunny fairy with purple wings. And there's Squishmallows. Oh, they do have some. Would you like another claw machine? Not the ones we were looking for. They have the Squishwheel cow set. Do I want to buy it? I regretted not buying it last time, but I don't know. Good luck, cow people. It's interesting that they have a banana. They have multiple bats, but they don't have any of the sea slugs. They're the most popular here. I'm only really looking for the Sanrio ones here. I just got tricked. I thought this might be pom-pom. No. There are too many fake Squishmallows. I don't think they have any Sanrio ones. Oh my god, they have Squish hats. Oh my gosh, I like the cat one. This one does have purple in it, but it's not smiling. I like smiling squishes. Oh my goodness, I have to buy this. Does it even fit? Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh my god, new squad alert. Oh my gosh, they have this bird. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful colors. I'm kind of tempted by this dragon. I don't have any big dragons and it's purple and green. It's very lavender vibes. What's it called? Drow. I do like this jelly. Farina the jelly. Oh, I have a little Farina. We've got a winking hedgehog named Babette. I love Lorenzo's a lobster, so cute, but I do have a smaller version. Oh my goodness, so cute. So cute. It's called Faye. There's a big mammoth up there. Oh, claw machine. That's a bull. Yeah, oops. Sorry. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so obsessed with this hat. I remember seeing one person say that there were Squishmallow hats in Kmart, and I just totally forgot about them. Unfortunately, I didn't find the Bum Bums. I didn't find the Sanrio ones. I didn't find any of the other Woolworth squads, but you know, I found this hat. And I did get my Sylvanian mystery packs. The first one I opened, I got the one I most wanted. I was so shocked. And I was like, I don't even know which one to hope for the second one because I already got the one I want. I wonder what the secret one is. It was literally the secret one, which is a mouse in a flower. So somehow I managed to get the two cutest ones in the store. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. Let me know if you want to see more squish hunting vlogs. Oh, Fairy really wants this hat. And yeah, I'll see you again soon. Bye!